proving of congruent triangle. So, using the side angle side. Okay. So, when we say again, side angle side, okay, if two sides and the included angle of one triangle are congruent to the two sides and an included angle of another triangle, then the two triangles are congruent. Okay, meaning, papasok po ulit si included angle. Okay, let us try an example. Okay, so kindly read the given.
Segment KN is the median of triangle KLW.
Okay, so what we're going to do is, step number 1, we need to analyze the given. Sabi daw dyan, anak, si segment KN daw, ito po si KN, ay median daw. Ano po ba yung median? Okay, when we say median, it is a segment connecting the vertex and the midpoint of the opposite side of the given triangle. So, meaning, if segment KN is the median, we can say that the vertex, yung tinutukoy na vertex dyan, ay si point K. At ano yung median? Point N. Very good. So, therefore, we can say that if segment KN is the median, segment LW is divided into 2. And what are the two segments? Very good. So, what can you say about the measurement of the two segments? Very good. They are congruent. So, meaning, we're going to put a markings because they are congruent. Because segment KN is the median of the given triangle. Okay, step number 1. What we're going to do now? What do you think is the first statement? Salas? Okay, very good. Segment KN is the median of triangle KLW. And now, Talib, what is the reason? Given. Then after that, let us proceed by statement number 2. Okay, the question is, do we need to prove statement number 1? Yes. What is the mathematical term? Median. Again, when we say median, it is a line segment. It is a line segment connecting the vertex and the midpoint. Meaning, kung meron tayo anak median, nahati ang triangle natin sa ilan? Dalawa. At ano yung dalawang segment na naging congruent? Segment LN is congruent to segment WN. That is the statement number 2. And ano ulit yung mathematical term na ginamit? Therefore, what do you think is the reason? Kambawan. Okay, kung ano yung mathematical term na ginamit, yun din po yung makikita dapat sa reason. So, ang mathematical term ay median. Therefore, our reason is definition of median. Question. Okay, then after that, what we're going to do now? So, after writing the first given, okay, the question is, may second given pa ba? Wala na po. What we're going to do? We're going to observe na the given illustration. Based on the given illustration, what can you say about the two triangles? They have a common side. Or common parts. What parts? Segment and what? Very good. Angle N. Okay, now, name angle N using 3 letters. Yes, Reblora. LNK, very good. Okay, that is the statement number 3. Angle L and K is congruent to angle W and K. Now, based on the given illustration, what can you say about the measure of angle N? They are congruent. What is the exact measure of angle N? Very good. 90 degree. Or what kind of angle? Right angle. Meaning, the third reason is what? Definition of right angle. Then, what we're going to do now? So, after that, identify what part is this since they are congruent. Okay, angle. Then, after that, again, observe the given. Why? Kasi wala na nga po tayong given na binigay. Or observe the illustration. Bukod sa common angle, ano pa yung common sa two triangles? Side. What is the name of the given sides? Or of the common sides? Okay, Malabanan, kindly name the common sides. Segment, what is the name? KN or NK? NK. Bakit NK? Kasi pag ganito tayo, anak. Diba? So, therefore, the common sides are? Okay, segment. NK is congruent to segment. NK or congruent sa sarili. Now, what is the reason? Very good. Reflexive property. Okay, since they are already congruent, what part is this? Side. May postulate na ba na lumabas? Therefore, the last statement is? Sige, Tapongot, what do you think is the last statement? Okay, very good. And what is the reason? Read. Okay, very good. SAS postulate. Do you understand?